Hello pool players, today's video is on rail first shots using the mirror aiming method. We will be looking at two shot locations for the object ball. And today's video is dedicated to Dennis, one of my subscribers, as he had a question about how to aim rail first shots. So what is the mirroring method? I first would like to say this is the method I use, while others might execute and calculate it differently. Mirroring begins from the nosing of the cushion. From the nosing, we take note as to where the object ball is off the cushion. From there, we transpose that distance to the opposite side of the nosing, which we will be using as an aim point for our cue ball. With my two examples, position 1 will be with the object ball furthest away from the cushion. As a visual aid, I will be using a golf tee as our aim point. Note here that I move the object ball inward to shot location number 2, while also moving the golf tee inward to mirror the location of the object ball. Because I use running spin, I align my aim points with the front edge of the object ball. When hitting center cue ball, your aim points will be different from what you see here. So now let's take a look at both shots. My first shot is to position number 1. It should be noted that when the object ball is closer to the corner pocket, you must avoid the scratch in the opposite corner. So now let's go ahead and reset here for location number 2. Note that I not only move the object ball, but I also move the golf tee as my aim point. And to reiterate what I said earlier, my aim points are based on me using running spin. So now let's take a look at what happens when we hit center cue ball. Notice how we drastically miss the shot. This is why it's so important to stay consistent with your tip position. Coming up, I will show you how to gain position on another ball by manipulating your tip position, but your aim point will need to change. So let me show you an example of why tip position is important. Notice here that I've hit draw spin, and watch how it shortens the angle coming off the rail. In knowing this, we obviously have to aim differently. So rather than shoot at my running spin aim point, I will aim further down the rail, about a ½ inch. And here's what that looks like from my perspective. As I was putting this video together, I started to experiment with side spin. So I started to add a little bit of left spin along with my draw. In executing these shots, I found out that I did not have to adjust my aim very much at all, even though I was adding the side spin. And by the way, left spin becomes running spin when it contacts the opposite rail. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I hope that it makes you a better player when you shoot your rail first shots. Now, I need a quick favor from you guys. I need you to share this video. Put about 10 hours into this one, and I need it to get out there to as many people as possible. This is a good one. Now, the other thing, if you want to see another great video, watch this one right here. It's related to what we just saw, and it's going to help you in your game. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.